You might have perfect grammar, but the moment you say a simple phrase like park the car, a native British speaker can often tell you're a learner. How? It comes down to a single sound, the British R. It is the clearest and most immediate signal of a non-native accent. The simple rule, you might know, is that the British R is often silent, but the real secret isn't about deleting the sound, it's about replacing it. An American speaker says car with a tense tongue. An RP speaker replaces that R by relaxing their jaw and lengthening the vowel, saying car. It's a completely different physical action. It's replacement, not deletion. But that's only half the story. The key to sounding truly fluent is the linking R. This is where the R magically reappears to bridge the gap between words. A learner might say, "My car is old." This sounds robotic. A native speaker links the words, saying, "My car is old." 4 or 5 becomes 4 or 5. This is the hidden music of natural, connected speech. You've just learned the what and the why of the most important sound in the British accent. But to truly master it, you need to build muscle memory through guided practice. To get the how, we want to give you something for free. Get instant access to the complete, high-intensity Day 1 video lesson from our premium course, the 7-Day British Accent Accelerator. It's packed with the advanced drills you need to turn this theory into a real, physical skill. Get your free video lesson now at the link below.